Dear class, I welcome you again in grade 7 and today we are going to start our second session of a chapter that is the advertisement industry in India. Class, earlier we had studied that what is the meaning of advertisement and how advertisement work, that what is the basic role of advertisement in our daily life. So now let's start with our second session which can cover the various topics like advertisement and social awareness, branding, and what are the various impact of advertisement on our daily life. So let's start our first topic, advertisement and social values. So though advertisement is often associated with commercialization and it can be used effectively for creating social awareness. Here, social awareness means related with the society. Here, advertisement about a social welfare programs create a positive impact on our public, which can focus on the various type of programs like AIDS, tobacco, drinking, etc. Now, they often change our perceptions of how we see things and ourselves. So, advertisement play an important role in guiding our society and our various type of choices. It not only do we select the products based on advertisement, but it can also provide the various examples related to our lifestyle. Our next question arises that what are brands? In fact, advertisement is all about creating an image or a brand. Like a brand may be defined as a name, logo, symbol, or it can be a combination of various type of products which one company from all its competitors. So giving special name to a product by the company is termed as a branding. So all the companies would want their brand to sell more than other brands. So there are the various type of brands like Lee, Nike, Subway, McD. Now class, if we can talk about celebrity branding, it can include various type of celebrates which can brand or advertise their products. Like if we can talk about Patanjali products, here their brand is produced by or advertised by Baba Ramdev, as there are various type of products which consist of various type of brand. So here there is an one word that is brand ambassador. So brand ambassador is a person who can advertise the product. Like if we can talk about the Amitabh Bachchan, he is the brand ambassador of the Himalayas product or Dabur product. So that is called a brand ambassador. Now, our next one is that what are the various pros of advertisement? Yes, it can introduces a new product in the market. It can expand the market about that what is the latest products in the market, which can helps to increase sales. It can also fight various type of competitors and provides more information to the consumers that what is the quality and quantity of the product, how to use the product. That's why it can educate the consumers and also provides more employment opportunities. It can also reduction in the prices of newspaper, magazine. The most important, it can increase the higher standard of living. Now question arises, is there any impact of advertisement? Yes, it is very true. It can causes lot of problems and impacts and disadvantages of advertisement. It can, but its impact also consists of various positive and negative points. It can persuade us to buy things even if we don't need, but we are always busy in buying that products and spend our money by and wasting our money. Children easily gets carried away and insist their parents that I want these type of products. Why? Because they see all their products in the advertisement. Many products like cigarettes, alcohol, tobacco is not good for health, but they are also advertised in the various type of newspapers and TV, which is very harmful for our youngsters. These are the some negative points, but instead of negative, there are also some positive impact of advertisement. Like they can provide education to the or employment to the various type of workers. It can also tells us that what is the latest product is available in the market. So, class, the conclusion is that though advertisement appeals to the personal emotions of the people and have a strong influence on our lifestyle, so we don't waste our money on buying and selling of goods by seeing the advertisement. We must encourage advertisement with social message and discourage the products that highlight the equalities and inequalities in the society. So, in the last, I would say that advertisement plays a very important role, and it consists of various type of media.